Welcome guys. So I've been working with Flash USDT platforms for 3 years now, testing everything I can find. And honestly, most services you see promoted on YouTube are straight up scams. Like genuinely, the majority of advertised options are worthless. Flash USDT works like this. You're creating tokens that mirror real Tether perfectly in the wallet. Same visual identity, matching ticker symbol, displays identically. But the key difference, you decide the parameters. Transfer count limits, how long they exist, daily caps on transactions. It's perfect for testing applications, seeing actual token movement in action, experimenting with DeFi strategies, all without putting real crypto at risk. So the truth is, legitimate platforms in this field are becoming scarce. Get Flash USDT is among the few I actually trust, using them for roughly 4 to 5 months at this stage. No scam behavior, interface is clear and logical, performance stays consistent. So let me demonstrate how this operates.
Alright, so this is the main interface I'm seeing. First decision is token amount selection. There are 4 different packages available, each showing cost breakdown and recommended use cases. Okay, I'll grab this package, 100K. Good. Now setting the visibility duration, anywhere between 1 hour and a full week available. And for this demo, going with 3-day. Perfect. So the next move is target address input plus network selection for the USDT generation. Okay, I'm choosing TRC20 for this run. Next, just flipping over to my wallet real quick, copying my address, back to the platform, pasting it in. Yeah, that works. Everything matches up. Good. And the last step is clicking Buy Flash. There it is. Payment options are either direct transfer to their address or wallet connection. So let's choose this one. One sec, and waiting on transaction confirmation. And yes, nice, 100K tokens just got created and sent, now just waiting for them to show in my balance. And while that's confirming, let me tell you why this app actually stands out from all the garbage advertised everywhere else. So the main thing I noticed after testing dozens of these services is that most of them intentionally hide everything from you. Like the pricing stays deliberately vague, all the actual functionality gets buried under layers of hype and marketing speak, and you genuinely don't know what you're getting until after you've already paid and it's too late. With this platform though, everything's just laid out clearly right from the start. You see exact costs, you understand the restrictions, duration specifications are transparent, complete visibility before you commit a single dollar.
And then there's the operational history aspect, which honestly tells you everything you need to know. I've watched so many platforms pop up out of nowhere, collect a bunch of payments, then just disappear within weeks, or maybe a month if you're lucky. This one's been running consistently smooth for months now, with actual growing user adoption, like real community engagement happening, verified experiences from multiple users, people documenting their results publicly and consistently. The problem, most people freeze up because learning feels risky. One wrong move could mean lost crypto, and that fear keeps them from even trying. This platform solves exactly that problem. You get real hands-on practice with absolute zero financial risk. Think of it like driver's education. Nobody throws you into rush hour traffic on day one, right? You start in controlled environments, make mistakes safely, build skills gradually. Just the same concept here. Learn transaction mechanics, understand wallet operations, recognize common errors, all in an environment where mistakes are educational, not expensive.
So, links in the pinned comment and description, test it out yourself. The difference between theoretical knowledge and practical ability is enormous. Get that practical experience here first where it's safe, then you're equipped for whatever comes next. And let me know your experience with it. See ya!